Hello everyone, my name is Shahbaz, a developer advocate at Magic, and in this video we will see how to get started with Magic and Next.js. So we will be using NPX scaffolding tool created by Magic called Make Magic. So let's get started with that. NPX Make Magic, and we would need a template to run that, and that the template name is Next based on Next language. We have multiple templates which you can always explore by running npx make magic, but for the sake of this video, let's use the Next template. When you run this, it will ask for your application name. For me, my Next app. So this is going to be my project name. Enter. And this asks for a publishable API key. So what is publishable API key? So this is the API key when you visit magic.link and sign up for free account. And when you do that, just enter your email and voila, you would have your applications application created. One of the application called first app, and from there you can select that publishable API key. For the use of this video, I'm going to use one of my another application. I have just copied that publishable API key by logging in with my email, and then you just paste this. Feel free to share this, no problem in sharing the publishable API key. But there is another term called secret key, which you would not share with anyone. So in this case, we would need the publishable API key, and then it asks for your NPM client. So let's choose NPM or Yarn. I'll go ahead with Yarn, and then that's it to get started with Magic and Next application. In this moment, it is downloading the application from the Magic template, and your local server is running. As you can see this from the client and server running side by side, this is a Next project. And when you visit localhost 3000, I hope you would have this screen by default here. This is the login screen, and for the use of this example, I will use my email to log in. So what it does is that when you click on this, a pop-up would appear and an email would come to your email ID. Okay, so in different app different screen, I'm using opening my email, and there's a button called login to your application name. So this is my application name. It differs from person to person, and I clicked on it. So it says you are logged into Magic and Next, which is what my application name is. And once that is done there, what you could see here is that you would be redirected to the profile page, and then you would have access to home route, which says that you are logged in, and then profile. And what it does is that this application uses like a persist state to persist your state. So when you see this, when you refresh this page, so everything is there. So let me close this tab and maybe come back again. I hope that is lost, or this is still there. So to learn more about these, visit magic.link and go to the guide section and search for Next. So you will have all your application, what I have followed, what this template does, and also how to create a Next application from very beginning and getting started, and everything in between what you would need to learn about Next. And once that is done, feel free to deploy this on Vercel or Netlify. So I hope this sum up this is the easiest way to get started with Magic and Next. So let me close this terminal and try to open. Let's see what was my project name. So let's open my Next app. So what it gives you, it gives the all application. It has the component which has header, it has layouts, it has middleware. So everything what I have used in that particular guide, you would find this in your local server, local instance. So I hope you would enjoyed this little demo of how to get started with Magic and Next. Just let me know in the comment section whether you have liked it or not, and if you have deployed it, do share in the comment section. and I hope to see and bring more videos like this. Thank you for watching.